Why should understanding the anatomy of the hip interest you?
As yoga teachers, more often than not, we're much more familiar with the chakra system, the emotional body, abstract models such as your Panchakosha, but are sometimes noticeably neglectful of our anatomical structures, the physiological systems, and your students' biomechanics. Combining this becomes a phenomenal tool for not only enhancing the quality of your teaching, but enhancing the overall improvements for your students.
Understanding applied anatomy will certainly make you a better yoga instructor. We all have different postures and we all have different pelvic alignments that fit into the postural type that we are. All of us are asymmetrical, and this will influence what positions or postures your clients or students are able to get into.
Hip openers are extremely significant in yoga postures, class themes, particularly styles like yin yoga. And that's what we really want to focus on with the workshop, is merging that anatomical knowledge with the energetic principles of yoga. Now being able to unpack things like tight hips from an asymmetrical point of view, from a pelvic alignment point of view, and still weaving in that additional incredible knowledge of potential energy blockages, emotional blockages, and really just allowing your students to get the maximum benefits from their yoga practice.
Join us on a workshop of the hip, understanding and unpacking the anatomy of the hip and pelvis.